So inside this magic blue box, I have been wanting to buy for a long time. And here it is right here, the hot rod. It says do not wear any metal objects, body piercings, high magnetic fields. I gotta be careful with that because I do have stainless screws in my wrist, so I gotta be careful. Maybe I'll have to use my right hand. But this is the kit right here, the hot rod. Metal induction. It has a key. It has a key. I wonder what the key is for. Oh, probably for the outside. Yeah, that's what it's for. Alright, so this is what we got. This is what we got. So inside the kit, these are the ones that you get with it for various applications, whether it be different bolts and stuff. These are the ones that you're supposed to, no, these ones here are the ones that you're supposed to wrap around, but it's hard copper, so your limitations would be like a one-time use for those. So also off Amazon, I picked up these ones, which are a flexible instead of like a hard copper. And this is it. We're going to try this out. So what I'm going to do is try it out on this because this brake caliper has a seized bolt, or seized pin I should say, and that'll be the perfect opportunity to try it out. Alright, hopefully this doesn't mess up my metal screw in my wrist, but I guess we're going to find out. This is going to be my first time using this, so bear with me. So it looks like you thread it in the front, and you use these knobs to tighten it down. And the more wraps you have around, the quicker it's going to heat up. Okay, I got the button pressed. Let's see what's going to happen. Oh yeah, I see it's starting to smoke. Is that enough to loosen her off? Nope, still tight. Let's heat her up some more. I think it'll come. Perfect, look at that. Got it out. Wish I would have had that the first time. Not gonna lie, this thing is badass. So glad I bought these flexible ones too. I just cleaned it out. That pin is garbage, but I can save this one. So if you're asking me what I think so far, this thing is pretty amazing. I learned what its limitations are, what it's really going to work good at, and I'm pretty impressed, and I'm so glad I bought it because I have ruined so many things because they were seized, and I'm hopefully that the money I invested in this will save me money in the future. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next one. Take care.